welcome back to my channel. It's Naya C. Today's video is just a quick little Westkiss hair review. This is a closure wig, 14 inches. This video basically you're just gonna see me, put this thing together. So I already went ahead and sewed a elastic band on it. I put some makeup on the closure, girl. I done cut the lace because I honestly was just gonna do it off camera, and something told me just girl record because people gonna want to know about Westkiss hair. So let's stay tuned and let's put this thing together. All right, y'all. So first of all, excuse the wig cap, okay? Y'all who wear wigs and lace closures and frontals and all that, y'all know the foundation, okay? Braids and then stocking cap, okay? And then here comes the wig. So keep watching this process. I had in old braids. I did not feel like taking out my braids yet, so I was just like, it's gonna have to do what it do. And first of all, when I saw this, I was like, oh no, I don't know how I'ma like this wig because girl, what is that? I had to take a double look in the mirror, like, hold on. So this was my reaction, okay, when I first put this wig on. I was not feeling it. I was like, I am not about to wear this wig because this ain't it, girl. This is not it. And I was like, you know what? I transformed wigs before, okay, and it's not gonna be that hard. Just take your time, breathe, and let's do this. And then the stocking cap kept sliding back. When I say y'all, this thing was getting on my nerves. Oh my god, I was just about to say, forget this. I'm about to just, go to the salon and get my hair a silk press and call it a day. This was when finally I started getting somewhere. I'm starting to see a little progress. I got somewhere as far as like a middle part, and then boom, again, I had to fix the stocking cap for the 15th time. Like, y'all don't understand. This stocking cap process was annoying because every time I brushed my hair or like tried to fix the part, the whole wig was sliding back. I was like, like what's going on? I ordered a size small wig cap, but I think it was way too small. So like when you get in your wig, please like read the measurements or take your measurements precisely, because if it was not for that wig band I had on, Lord knows, okay, that wig was not staying on my head for nothing. It was so hard for me looking through my camera screen trying to fix this hair. I was like, I'm gonna take one more chance to look in the mirror and do it seriously, and let's see what we come up with before I go crazy. Finally, y'all, a scalp, okay, where you cannot see my stocking cap through. Finally, a middle part. Like, it was a long way to get here. But now I'm just getting ready to set this middle part in place. I'm gonna use some water, just regular water out of the faucet to set the middle part. And then I also use some mousse, regular hair mousse, just to keep that in place. Sometimes I leave it tied down for a little bit, but in this case I was trying to do this video and get it done with, so I was just doing, everything really fast. Please excuse my backdrop because I know y'all see it. Yes, it's being held by tape. That was just my little quick way of doing it because I didn't want to buy a whole backdrop stand for my room. So here I was just basically debating if I should cut it into a bob or not. So I was asking opinions from my sister, my mother, because I really wanted it cut into a bob. Because honestly, I mistakenly bought a size 14 inch when I actually wanted like a 12. So when I saw it, I was like, no, this is getting cut. And I tried it on. I was like, this don't look too bad. But y'all just keep watching. Let's see what happens. I still wasn't too happy with the lace. So I was like, let me just put a little more makeup on here And I took a old foundation, a old, like, what is this, MAC, and like a old makeup brush, and I was like, this gonna be put to use today, okay? And I just added a little more on my lace because I was not feeling it. And to be honest, I stopped bleaching my lace, okay? I just started putting makeup on it and calling it a day because, girl, I be real lazy nowadays when it comes to my hair. I don't be wanting to do nothing to it, okay? So I find the easiest way to get it done and make it look good. So here is where I was debating if I should curl it with the wand or just leave it straight. So let's watch this process. I'll just put my hand to one side I was gonna keep straight and one side I was gonna keep curly, and whichever side looked the best, I was going to keep. So I was very impressed with the way it came out straight. It felt so good, and then it looked like a whole perm, girl. It looked like I got a whole perm. So I was actually liking it straight, but I still wanted to try it with curl wands and see how it came out. Yes, girl, you better go with them curls, okay? I was loving the curls. I was all for the curls, okay? Rather than it having it straight, I did not mind because I liked how natural it looked straight, but them curls was everything, okay? I decided to take out some baby hairs in the front and just fix that up a little bit just to give it a more, I don't know, natural look kind of in a way. Because I didn't have to put the baby hairs, but I looked at it and I was like, baby hairs it is today. And I loved it. Thank you, girl, for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Comment and subscribe, okay? Keep watching for more uploads.